You know that Murder, She Wrote chick, Jessica Fletcher?
It's Jessica Fletcher, actually.
Yeah, right, so, yeah, she is totally a serial killer. I mean, think about it.
I'm sorry, I don't know what you mean. She used to catch the murderers. That is why it is called Murder, She Wrote.
Yes, how convenient that every week someone just happened to be murdered around her. I am telling you, she was doing it the whole time.
Come to think of it, she did used to tamper with evidence, and often her confrontations with the alleged murderers were some kind of psychological trick confession.
Oh my god, exactly. She is like a criminal mastermind. She has been murdering people for decades, getting away with it, and also writing best-selling books about it. Blood money.
While innocent people go to jail for the crimes she committed. I so see what you are saying now.
I am glad we agree. It should so be called, Murder, She Did and Wrote About.
Oh, you are so funny.